Oh, yeah. Hi. Karen asked me to produce a screencast of the drifting effect that I was noticing with the tracing going on for the various sketches. So as you can see on my screen, the traces are they're fading, which is fine, but they are also drifting what appears to be down and to the right. I found this to be particularly distracting while I was trying to work through the activities and produce lesson plans. It is actually not occurring as badly today as it had in the past. Previously, the drift was so significant that you could hardly make out a polygonal shape for the domain of the penguin. I am using a PC with Chrome as the web browser. I'm not sure of the version. I could find that for you if you need me to. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.